Versatile utility. Works well for hiking, camping, and a variety of survival tasks, as well as making DIY crafts like belts, bracelets, leashes, and lanyards. Durable nylon. Combines a 32 braided UV-resistant nylon jacket structure and a 7-strand nylon core, each strand made of 3 twisted yarns, for reinforcement. Reliable. Suitable for both wet and dry conditions, provides a natural resistance to oils, acids, and abrasions. Capacity. Not reflective, will sink, will not float, when placed in water. Dimensions and warranty. Measures 100 feet, 30.5 meters, long by about 5/32 inch, 4 millimeters, in diameter, backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Long and orange. It's orange paracord that goes from one end to the other, just like you'd expect.